Hello, today's the 13th of August, Tuesday, 2024, and I stopped over at Lee's Famous Chicken. I woke up, it looks like they changed their stuff since I went there last. One interesting thing I found out about Lee's, based on their website, is it's actually started by the nephew of Colonel Sanders, or KFC's nephew started this place. Show you the inside. What I am getting is 3 chicken tenders. Let's see, that's a pretty big chicken tender. I do like their chicken tenders. I think it's better than KFC for sure. Definitely a bigger piece of their barbecue sauce. And open. Give that a try. It's been a while, so let's see if they still are pretty good. Man, it is excellent. Nice, crispy, juicy. That is great chicken. So I got 2 sides of mashed potato. That's kind of what they got. Get this a roll. I like black pepper on my mashed potato. I like a lot of black pepper. Like also using a soup spoon to eat the mashed potato. Give that a try. Again, very good. As far as comparing that mashed potato to KFC, I'd probably give KFC a slight bump up. Kind of like their gravy a little better. KFC. I do have some biscuits. Or 1 biscuit, I should say. Give this thing a try. I like lots of butter in the biscuit. But it is a butter biscuit. Get those down south. And Lee's did start down south. They just happened to open. The place I went to is in Plymouth, Michigan. But I know this place is all over down south. Again, my opinion, I think it's better than KFC. As far as the portions of the chicken, it's juicier. And it's, you know, kind of keeping in the family. It's got the nephew of Colonel Sanders, so can't be bad there. Alright, I think it's enough butter there. Give that a bite. Excellent. So if you haven't tried it, you got to hit Lee's. Large Mountain Dew. Give it a try. Definitely worth a try. Alright, have a great day. Bye.